always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond.
Hi guys, and happy fall, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Nina, and in today's video, although the intro might not indicate that, but I'm going to take you on my fall house tour of 2022. As you can see, or if you don't know me, you cannot see that maybe, but for those of you who have followed me for a while, you know that I'm in my crafting room, and I'm busy trying to get my Halloween decor done, but I managed to decorate my house for fall and do some filming. I'm going to do it a bit different this year. I usually walk while I'm talking, and boy, I can talk a lot. So I thought to make the house tour maybe more presentable or not so long. I have filmed and then I will do a voiceover. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you come back for my Halloween videos. Thank you so much, guys, for teaching me that it's wheat and not grain on the stick. If you haven't seen my last video on my fall centerpiece, you will not know what I'm talking about, but I made some centerpiece with wheat. I didn't know what it was called, so I called it grain, and that sounded strange. Then it became grain on the stick, but I now know it's called wheat. So wheat is kind of the theme. Wheat and sunflowers are this year's theme for my fall decor. I hope you enjoy, and I hope I see you for my next video. Bye guys! Welcome to my house. This is our entrance, and as you can see, I have done a little splash of fall colors here and there. Made this wreath of what I had left over from my project with wheat, and I think it turned out beautiful. I have these baskets with throws and pillows several places in the house, and I love them. Here decorated with some fall leaves and some pumpkins. In our bedroom, I only decorate this little tray on the bed, and I again use the wheat and some sunflowers to keep up with the theme. And this is our tiny bathroom, but I managed to do a little bit of fall colors here as well. This is our dining room, and here is the big centerpiece. Still feels like eating on opposite sides of an hedge. It was too high, so for Halloween I will probably cut it in two and use it in the windows instead. I did the placings really simple, just with some wheat and a napkin. you will see that the wheat is used throughout the house to keep up with the theme. And here is some small arrangements with sunflower and wheat in small terracotta pots. I thrifted this beautiful candelabra on a trip I had with some girlfriends a few weeks ago, and I love it and wanted to use it. So I think it turned out it really suits the fall decor. The bowl is from my grandparents, so it's also old, and so is the small glasses and the little glass spirit holder, or yeah. You have seen this before if you have seen my videos. When it's too hot to light a fire in the fireplace, I use some twinkling lights. This is our living room, and yes, the black big elephant is still in the room, but it's so comfortable. Again, I have made use of an old bowl I have from my grandparents. Love to use things like that in my decor. I've done it really simple in the windows with just a couple of pumpkins, an acorn and a leaf, and my beautiful little centerpiece for my coffee table. I love the pillows with the beautiful sheep. And again, keeping up with the theme and using wheat in my decor. I got this beautiful plate from my parents at my 40th birthday, and the color suits the fall decor very good. My secretary is a mess, but I found this funny looking lamp, just had to have it. Maybe more Easter, but never mind. Again, a basket, and underneath inside this box is our printer, so this is a nice way to hide that. And this is our little and messy kitchen. I've only done a few small hints of fall here and there, but again, keeping up with the theme: sunflowers and wheat. I have actually done 180 when it comes to my my eating, and we are experimenting with some lovely new recipes. Okay guys, that was my house decorated for fall. I hope you enjoyed the tour, that you got inspired, maybe you got some ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you again soon. Happy fall you all!